say these days, everywhere they work out the judge case. One of my guy, his eye swell this morning. Why? One woman blew him for church. Why the woman blew him? He said yesterday, then they do conference. Say the woman sit down for in front. As she stand up, made them read him. He comes and say the woman's skirt don't go inside her equator. As a good Nigerian, he said, may help him, bring him out. Now she turn, punching eye. That was yesterday. Today, he come back house. The other eye, don't swell. The wife said, what happened? He said, now that's a woman. He said, you don't go touch her skirt again. He said, no. Say, what happened? He said, as she stand up, he can't look again. The skirt don't go inside. Another man, now he go remove her. Now he tell the man, say, this woman, they like better they touch her skirt. Now he put them back. Now, I don't find out something. You know, say, when babe come visit guys, we, our blood to the hot. Small thing, get don't call your house, you don't begin to rush up. Girls, you know, they say the problem with men and women is in our communication. Sometimes women, they tell us things. We need to feel here because women, they use their mouth. If girl come your house, no rush them. How you go take no say the girl prepare come for you. Depending on what she carry. Find way, give the girl water or anything, make she drink, go piss. Once she go piss, search her bag. The content of the bag will determine what you go get. If you check the bag, you see lipstick. No say only kissing go happen. If you check the bag, you see lipstick and eye pencil. No say you go do the full face in here. Then if you can't check, see lipstick, eye pencil, and cream. No say she go stay till night. You can't check, can't see soap inside. No say na 2 nights. You can't check, can't see nightgown. Now 1 week. You can't check, open the bag, you see toothbrush, soap, cream, lipstick, eye pencil, nightgown, can't see Dettol. No say you don't marry. For her to bring disinfectant and come. And girls, make una need a fear to go my house. Go, but prepare yourself. Because men, we are dangerous, but be more dangerous. You know where you go, you know say the guy go rush you. Go record CD. Inside the CD, start the CD with blues. Like 3 minutes. In between, put gospel song. Yeah. Once you go the guy house, the guy won't rush you. He say, come on, don't rush. I came for you, I prepared. Say, you bring out the CD from your bag, go and play it. As the guy rush, oh boy, the guy prepare. As you put on, now blues they play. Tonight, I celebrate. It goes for your mind. Say, tell this guy, I will kill you today. The next thing as soon as just they do, I'll endure, girl, endure. As the guy just say, go tonight, I celebrate. Just they reach the brown, I celebrate. And I say, Joy, I want more of you. And that's how your mouth just hang. Any man wasting sock breast under gospel music, it was past native doctor. Not only I'm going to tell you, go home, go home, go home. And men, you see, I know they like make men, they make mouth. They make mouth to woman. Because that day you just end up disappointing yourself. And then they like make people, they give us excuse. Buhari shout, hey, change. Now don't they reach 4 months. Don't they tell us the thing was not the way. I saw it. Sunday only said, they super sports. Hey, Keshi. Now they don't give a coach. Instead need 15 game. Now lie you. Maso man go there. You don't see man go they say, baby, if you come, I will, oh God, I will tear you. I will. The guy go say, give it to me. Come on, I will kill you. Wow. He never even reached 3 minutes. Oh, what's happening? Oh my God. This man I planned it now. The next thing you're going to give excuse. Normally I'm not like this. So it's just that today I ate suya. My system is not good with suya. Could they give excuse up and down? And others is when they were the 10 men. Men they drink things. Say when you drink Red Bull 4, So you'll be a killer. Now lie. When you drink Red Bull 4, now supporters club you go do till morning. One guy don't they drink Red Bull 6 from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. He just threaten the girl. I will eat you, baby. The guy like that say, come. He said, leave me. Yeah. Till daybreak, sleep, catch him, you sleep. Be careful the things you do. Now, you know, my guys they say about that this Nigeria, I love this our country. This election will come out from one of the most rugged election we would face. People divide, even for church. You enter, usher go welcome you, bless you, PDP or APC. Go say PDP this way. Bless you, PDP or APC, APC this way. You know, say for Nigeria, we have only 2 political parties. The others now get together. As you don't come, PDP or APC, say COA. What? COA. Sit down there. PDP or APC, Labour. Labor yourself over there. They're going to get the worst parties where nobody even know. PDP or APC, NACY. What? NACY. Go to Children's Church. Then the thing come bad. So during election, it was a problem to carry a shower for this town. You go drive, reach Casablanca, a shower. A shower go come. You be PDP or APC? He said, no, I'll be APC. No, and then they follow APC. Wait back. Oh, yeah. Clara, come. Come see your people. Now God go help us. But don't they where some governors been the quarrel? Governors they quarrel amongst themselves. You, what have you done? You, what have you done? Fashola was a quiet guy. He just said, well, what have I done? You've seen what I go to Lagos. You people go to Lagos every day. You've seen what I've done. Just as a shout. You do, what have you done? Amechi, what have you done? Amechi, open eye. What is that? What is that? What is that? You think I've not done something? Go to Port Harcourt, I've done something. The next day, Abia State Governor, former one, Theodore, stand up. What is it? In my time, I can't remember what I did, but I know I walked. The next thing, Obi, wake up. What is it? In my time, I did burial. We buried Oraku, we bury Alex, we bury everybody. Right now, we want to bury P-Square. Now I'm being owned. The next thing, my main guy, my main man, my chairman, the governor of Akwa Ibom, stand up. Some all of you are talking rubbish. Come to Akwa Ibom State. We have 1,200 kilometers of road, 18 general hospital. Why like that guy? He said 2-4. He advertise himself. I don't jam a baby for Hilton. He dey chop breakfast. He dey chop fried egg. I said, Your Excellency, you're eating fried egg. He said, Mbok, it's good to eat fried egg. Because when you eat fried egg, you have protein. And when you have protein, you think well. That's why in Akwa Ibom State, we have 1,200 kilometers of road, 18 general hospitals. You don't finish here. No verse. I still jam a baby for one launching for Lagos. He wear agbada, outside agbada. I say, wow, Your Excellency, very unusual of you to wear agbada today. Why are you wearing agbada? He says, it's good to wear agbada. Because when you carry agbada, you carry it from the left and from the right. And that's why in Akwa Ibom State, when I came into office, I took it from the left and from the right. And that's why in Akwa Ibom State, you have 1,200 kilometers of road. Where I give up. Now when they give an award, before the award, they play documentary of Civil War. As in call him up for his speech. Now he start. I already had a speech planned. But as I saw that video of the war, I told the speech that I'm not going to talk what I wrote there. Because I was a little boy during the Civil War. In fact, there's a small naked boy crying in that video. I think I'm that boy. We suffered. And that's why General Yakubu, when you are here, when you people did all the reconciliation, you built all the infrastructure in Lagos. You didn't take anyone to Enugu. And we that are your children are holding you accountable. And that's why I ask myself, my daughters are here, that what will I tell them tomorrow when they hold me accountable as a former leader? And that's why when you come to Akwa Ibom State, thank you very much, Sir.